Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to play a Kahoot that has already been created by you. So we want to click on My Kahoots, and then from there you're going to see all the Kahoots you created, and you can click on Play. This is where you're going to have different options of how you want to play the game. The classic is when you have a one-to-one device. So if you have students that all have their Chromebooks, you can use this. If you want to do team mode, you have to have your students play on teams with less devices. So let's say you only have 2 or 3 Chromebooks in the room, but if you want to create a team, that was how you will play it. Underneath that, you see game options. So from here, this is where you can customize the game. So for example, enable answer streak bonus. If I click on view details, you will see that you can reward the player's accuracy with bonus points if they correct multiple answers correct in a row. But if they get one wrong, the streak is reset. The next option is podium. So you can increase anticipation and give more players a chance to experience their own epic win by celebrating first, second, and third place. The next option is to randomize the order of the questions, to randomize the order of the answers, to enable a 2-step login, to display the game pin throughout, to minimize the intro instructions, and to automatically move through the questions. And the last one is require players to rejoin after each Kahoot. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to actually select the classic, and you will see that it says ready to join. So I am going to show what it looks like for a student to join, and I'm going to have 2 players join this game. You will notice that playing in the background is the YouTube video I selected for the game. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another window so you can see what the students see. So what they have to do is they have to go on the internet. So I'm going to move this window to the side. I'm going to move this to the side. And once they get on the internet, they have to go to the website, kahoot.it. So once they log in, they have to put in the code. So I have to enter 54677 and click on enter. Now they have to enter their nickname or their name. So then they click on OK Go. So as you can see, it tells them you're in. See your nickname on screen. So as the teacher, once the students all log in, what you would do is click on Start. So as you can see, this is the image that we chose when we first were creating the actual game. And now they have to answer the question. So which continent is most populated? Now the students, what they do is they click on the correct color. And apparently one of our students got it right and one of our students got it wrong. So you will see over here which ones got which right or wrong. So then when the teacher is done, you can click on Next, and you will see that student 1 got it correct and got some points, and student 2 did not. So then you can click on Next. Here's our second question. Which continent is least populated? And the students choose their answer. So the student obviously got it correct again and got 625 points. Click on Next. And the faster they pick the correct answer, the more points they get. So then we can click on Next. And click on Next. So from here, you will see your score as a student. So I was in second place. And on the teacher side, you can see how the students did as well. And if you click on Get Results, what happens is instantly the students are prompted to rate the game. So how do you rate Kahoot? Did you learn something? You can do a thumbs up, or thumbs down, and do you recommend it? And to continue, tell us how you feel. So on the teacher side, you can choose to save your results. So you can save it directly onto your drive or download it. So I'm going to click on my drive and click on save. And click on save. Results will be in an Excel spreadsheet. So if I click on it, you can see when it was played, who it was hosted by, and the correct answer is wrong. The correct answer is correct and incorrect, and so on and so forth. If you go back to the window and close this out, you can also see the feedback. So this is basically going to give you an overview of how the students felt about the game.